band of marauders evade capture by hiding away in a forest that is rumored to be haunted. I have heard that Sir Pelleas was seen around the woods in pursuit of the brigands. Good old Pelleas, protector of the downtrodden. He has never cared about fame. We must deal with these brigands, and I need knights for my round table. So this looks like an opportunity to kill two birds with one stone.
Don't enter the woods. The tomb shall not be disturbed.
Stay back, rascals. We want no trouble. Let us leave.
Why would I? You showed no mercy for the innocent.
If you want to play it this way, so be it. There are more of us.
You are outnumbered, sir. Let us help you. I serve the Lord.
What are we waiting for?
I fight for honor.
Take them! Power and glory.
Thank you, Knights of Camelot. I'm trying to stop these idiots from releasing the curse in this forest. Lady Violet's tomb is cursed. We can't let them disturb her peace, or death will come for everyone. They were thieves and murderers. Only because they are terrified of the curse. Oh yes, there are, with their leader. Ansem is his name. A cunning piece of work. Real smart. His camp is deep in the woods. He is familiar with the curse and knows that fear keeps everyone away. He is a fearless bastard. In his carelessness, he will awaken the curse. I can feel it. Wait, wait. There is foul witchery in these woods. Are you sure you want to enter? I have a bad feeling about this, but you are right. We must kill the brigands before they unleash the curse. Devilry. This is what I feared. These idiots disturb the dead.
The dead are upon us. Save me and I swear I'll help you.
blessings.
I serve the Lord.
For king and country.
I serve the Lord.
Your orders?
No mercy for the wicked.
I serve the Lord.
I fight for honor.
Ready.
Your command?
Blessings.
Down with the vileness.
The Lord is my witness.
Your orders?
Your Highness?
No mercy for the wicked.
I fight for honor.
Blessings.
The Lord guides my hand.
The pain.
Your orders?
Attack. What are we waiting for?
The Lord is my witness. Defend yourself.
For the round table.
I fight for honor.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Of course, yes. I'm glad to help. Yes. We have a main camp, and not far from that, a smaller hideout. Ansam is in the main camp. He set a trap for the dead, but he will die, like all of them. Can I go now? You are really kind. So if I can give you a piece of advice, when you see the path to the south, avoid it. It leads to the lair of the undead witch.
He deserved punishment and you let him go. How disappointing. There is something ahead of us. Ready your arms.
Deliver.
Spare us! We are simple woodcutters. How else should we defend ourselves from the dead?
No mercy for the wicked. Down with the vileness.
The Lord is my witness. Your Highness?
At your service, my lord.
The Lord is my witness.
Power and glory.
At your service, my lord.
For king and country.
The Lord is my witness. For the Lord Almighty.
The Lord is my witness.
Your orders?
The Lord is my witness.
Justice has prevailed again. The brigands are fighting the dead. They are paying the price of idiocy and blood. This could be the perfect opportunity to decimate both parties.
I fight for honor.
See? This is what happens when you disturb the restless dead.
What are we waiting for?
Devilry. We shouldn't have come here.
The Lord is my witness.
I fight for honor.
Ready to fight. Take them. What?
Fight! We cannot let them turn us into these things. Your orders?
For king and country.
At your service, my lord.
Sinners shall bleed.
Sinners shall bleed.
At your service, my lord.
I am injured. Steal your soul and fight. Power and glory.
No mercy for the wicked.
For king and country.
Attack. Suffered a light wound.
No mercy for the wicked.
Has prevailed again.
What the? Watch me take it all.
We all could use some rest.
Easy there.
Rise and shine, noble knights.
A just reward.
These brigands thought themselves so clever, hiding where no one dares to enter, and they couldn't resist the urge to disturb the tombs. Can you feel the cold? This is the icy grip of hell trying to suffocate us. Careful, they've set a trap.
Visitors? I was expecting the living dead, not some wandering knights. Doesn't matter. We can kill you too if we must.
Ha! Your plan has failed.
Blessings. For the Lord Almighty.
Blessings.
Marauders?
I serve the Lord.
I serve the Lord.
For king and country.
I fight for honor.
I fight for honor.
Attack. What?
At your service, my lord.
I serve the Lord.
I fight for honor.
Come.
Your command?
I fight for honor.
At your service, my lord.
Awaiting your command.
Coward. At your service, my lord. This was quite something. A desecrated tomb, vile bandits, sword fights, and a cursed forest. I had my share of adventures, and this was remarkable. I'm tempted. You know, why not? I will join you.
I shall put this to good use.
A just reward.
I shall put this to good use.
The Lord shall guide my hand.
Easy there.
I don't like this. We must be close to Lady Violet's tomb. No one dares to talk about her. She was a monster already in her life. Terrible and violent acts. She even had her knights buried along with her to grant her protection in the afterlife. Blissful ignorance. This is Avalon. It is not superstitious to be careful where you can truly lose your soul.
Let's say a prayer.
Look there. This may serve a higher purpose.
Sinners shall bleed.
Give me an enemy of flesh and blood, and I will fight them any time. But I hate magic.
Blessings.
The Lord is my witness.
For the Lord Almighty.
Sinners shall bleed.
Orders?
For king and country.
For Avalon!
For king and country.
For the round table.
No mercy for the wicked. Christ on the cross.
More things to plunder.
For king and country.
Sinners shall bleed. No mercy for the wicked.
For king and country.
For
for honor.
Forever! The Lord is my witness.
Sinners shall bleed.
I am here to serve. Onwards!
For king and country.
Sinners shall bleed.
For king and country.
For the round table.
No mercy for the wicked.
The Lord guides my hand.
At your service, my lord.
The Lord is my witness.
For king and country.